Ford's latest Focus ST adds a new chapter to its storied history of hot hatchbacks. From around 1984, the market for hatchbacks with sportier performance grew, with most manufacturers adding a hot hatch to their range. Power increases were achieved through upgraded carburetors, for example in the Fiesta XR2. Ford continued to produce hot hatches through the 1990s, including the Ford Fiesta RS Turbo and the Ford Escort RS Cosworth. Throughout the 2000s, performance of hot hatches continued to grow with an increasing number of models using turbocharged engines. The first generation Ford Focus ST 170 had a tough battle on its hands. To win over its Escort fans, Ford would have to create something special. One of the great unsung hot hatches of the early 2000s, its 170 brake horsepower output had to contend with a variety of competitors who were approaching and passing the 200 brake horsepower barrier, and it transpired that Ford had the Focus RS waiting in the wings and didn't want to overshadow the new Halo model by making the ST 170 too good. Ford have taken some of the knowledge from developing the GT and the Focus RS, and they've given us a mid-sized performance car with added flexibility. Using advanced turbocharging technology to deliver 280 PS power at 5,500 RPM and 420 Nm of torque from 3,000 to 4,000 RPM, the Focus ST accelerates from 0 to 100 km an hour in less than 6 seconds. Innovative anti-lag technology developed for the Ford GT and the F-150 Raptor has been added to the Focus ST for immediate power delivery in sport and track drive modes. The anti-lag keeps the throttle open when the driver lifts off the accelerator pedal, alleviating the reversal of airflow from the turbocharger to the main compressor. This enables boost pressures to build faster on demand. New rev matching technology from the new Ford Mustang is also introduced as part of an optional performance pack for the 2.3 litre EcoBoost manual models. Models also feature the torque vectoring control technology, which improves road holding and reduces understeer by applying brake force to the inside front wheel when cornering. Delivering smoother, faster downshifts, the engine's electronic control system blips the throttle as the driver engages a lower gear. Rev matching enables less experienced drivers to benefit from seamless, momentum-maintaining gear shifts delivered by heel-toe driving, which you can deactivate if you're Ken Block. Models equipped with the Performance Pack include track drive modes, as well as slippery, wet, normal and sport modes. There's a dedicated sport button on the flat bottom steering wheel which gives direct access to the sport mode. It's an additional mode button which allows drivers to quickly scroll through the drive mode options. Selecting track mode instantly makes the Focus direct and edgy, with increased feedback, aggressive throttle and maximum traction using the launch control for fast standing starts via the Performance Pack equipped models. In addition to the sports steering wheel and solid Recaro seats, the Focus ST interior also comes with embossed aluminium gear knob, scuff plates, alloy pedals and metal grey stitching for the seats. Ford's Sync 3 connectivity system allows drivers to control audio, navigation and climate functions. Through the 8-inch colour touchscreen, the system provides access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Ford Pass Connect embedded modem technology turns the car into a mobile Wi-Fi hotspot with connectivity for up to 10 devices. This latest generation of Focus has won 13 awards and a 5-star safety rating since going on sale in 2018. With safety integrated systems such as adaptive cruise control, speed sign recognition, lane assist, and evasive steering assist, which is a segment technology that helps the driver steer around stopped or slower vehicles to help avoid collisions. Ford has an immense and enviable legacy of building great hot hatches. As with previous generations of Focus ST, you can get it in petrol or diesel, in hatchback or estate bodies. You've got a peak power in diesel of 187 brake horsepower and 280 PS for the petrol. This also matches the Renault Megane RS and the Hyundai i30N. It certainly has the ability to rival its hatchback brethren, even if the chassis feels a little on the firm side. While the Focus ST definitely delivers driving thrills, in order to compete, it really needs an updated cabin. To really get the most out of it, you need to run it on the wide open roads as often as possible. You could drive it in the city as a manual, but I wouldn't recommend doing this long term. Will we continue to see the evolution of the hot hatch, or will it be confined to history forever? Personally, I hope not, and look forward to seeing what the future brings.